Assalamu alaikum, students of IT. I am Razia from BHSS Kupwara. My trade is ITes. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is electronic spreadsheet. It's an advanced electronic spreadsheet which we will study using library office Calci. And in previous lectures we have studied about office automation, and there we have studied how we can edit, how we can insert image, text, and how we can edit it, how we can modify it. And now we'll go through a chapter in this unit. We'll go through a chapter that is how we can analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. So first of all, we'll go through introduction. This analyzing data, it's a process to extract useful information for making effective decisions. There are various data analysis softwares, such as we have Calci, we have Excel, we have Python, that are used to retrieve data, to correlate, to explore, to visualize data, and we can use it we can use data for identifying patterns, trends, or relationships. So first of all, we'll go to consolidating data. How we can consolidate data? It's a function. Consolidation is a function which is used in Calci. Consolidate function is used to combine information from multiple sheets. That means we have more than one sheets, and we can consolidate. That means we can combine data from multiple sheets of a spreadsheet into one spreadsheet, or into one place. We can place it into a spreadsheet, or we can place it in some other place, so that we can summarize the information of different sheets together. So it is used to view and compare variety of data in a single spreadsheet for identifying trends and relationships. That means we are combining data of different spreadsheets into a single spreadsheet, so that we can identify the trends and relationships of the data among many more sheets. And for this purpose, we'll go through some steps to consolidate the data. First step is we have to open the spreadsheet which has data to be consolidated. We have to open the sheet whose data is to be consolidated, and then we have to open new sheet where the data has to be consolidated, and then we have to choose data, and then we have to choose data, and in data we have to go into the option that is consolidate option, and which will open a window that is consolidate window. And then in this window there will be a function that is sum. When sum is seen, then we have to click on the we have to click on the sum button, and here after that we have to choose the required function from the drop down list. There is a drop down list in the sum function, and there we have to choose the required function, which function we are using for consolidating the data among different spreadsheets. And then the sources data range list contains existing name range or quickly, and then they are consolidated into a single spreadsheet, and the data, it is consolidated, the number of sheets, they are consolidated into a single sheet. Okay. Then we have after that we have to add the range. Okay, we have to give the range for the consolidation, because there is always a consolidation range. Okay, and then we have to check the target range, what the target range is, because they should be equal, and after that After that we have there two check boxes where we will consolidate by row label or we will consolidate by column label. And then finally we have to click OK, and our here our spreadsheets are consolidated. Then we have another one that is subtotal tool. This subtotal tool is where it is used the sheet where this is applied must have labels to the column. That means we have a column, we have a sheet, and each sheet has because we know in spreadsheet we have number of columns, and each column must have its specified name. And then we have to click on data menu and choose the subtotal this from data. That means we have to go to data, and there we have to click subtotals. And then we have to group by the list, and then we have to go into the grouping option in data. And after that we have to click on the checkbox where we can create the subtotals. Okay, and okay, there we can subtotal our data. After that it is then we have another thing, that is what if scenarios. If we will use scenarios, then what is the fun of using scenarios in spreadsheet. This scenario, it's a set of values that can be used within the calculation in the spreadsheet. Okay, we can use the scenarios. We can use scenarios for a number of calculations in spreadsheet. So a name is given to the scenario, and several scenarios can be created on the same sheet. Okay, and then we have if we will use analysis tool. If we will use analysis tool, then we have first of all to go into data, then we have to go into the multiple operations, and then we have to go to the planning tool for what if question. That means we have to write what if. That means we are asking the question, what if this thing. Okay, this is all about today. Okay, inshallah tomorrow we'll start with a new lecture. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.